Okay, hi guys, today we'll be learning the very basics of drumming. If you just got a drum kit or your father just bought you a drum kit and you don't know how to play, this is the perfect video for you. Okay, firstly, you're going to have to know the difference between the different types of drum kits, like you get an acoustic set and you get electronic sets. Acoustic sets have big toms and actual cymbals, but then you also get electronic sets like these, which have rubber pads and sensors which will then pick up the vibration from the drumstick, and then which will give you a sound through a speaker like this. So if you look at your drum kit, if you're in front of it, you'll first have to make sure obviously it's plugged in, and then you look at the components. You'll have two pedals at your feet. Oh, sorry guys. You'll have two pedals at your feet like these. The one on the right is your bass pedal, and the one on your left is usually your hi-hat pedal, which is used for this. And then what you would like to do, sorry, I just need to set up my camera again in the correct position. Yeah, what you then would like to do is, see, this is your hi-hat. If you step on it and you tap on the cymbal itself, it will have a closed sound. If you lift your foot up and then you play it, it will have an open sound. So, then next to your hi-hat you have your snare drum, and then there's a range of 3 to 4 toms depending on how big your set is. First you have the 2 toms at the top of the snare, and then on the floor you'll have what you call a floor tom. There are 2 cymbals above you, depending on how expensive your set is. You always have a crash cymbal, which just, it describes what it does, it crashes. And then you have a ride cymbal, which is good for changing up the beat, the tempo, in different songs, like going from a hi-hat to your ride cymbal and changing it up like that. And then, yeah, that's your components of your drum kit. Always just make sure your heights are correct with the way you are sitting, that you don't knock your elbow on any of the instruments, and also make sure everything is tightened and fastened down, because if it's not, some components might fall off or fall to the side, which will not make your playing experience very great. But yeah, that's the components of your drum kit. This is the beginning of my channel, and we'll be having some drum tutorials and some covers. Thanks guys, cheers.